Alright, okay, alright, I hear you, I understand you. I know you guys are thinking at home, somebody please take a credit card away from this man because he's just gonna keep putting himself into more debt. I understand what you're saying, but this right here is actually gonna benefit you more than it's gonna benefit me. So you guys should be really happy that I made this purchase today because you're gonna get a lot of great content out of this machine and you should be welcome about it. Enjoy this unboxing, okay? Enjoy it because I know you're gonna love it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian if you're new here, and today, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be unboxing a computer again because I have problems, alright? Wow, white balance. Okay, figure your shit out, white balance, because I'm not dealing with you today. Okay, so today I was not expecting to be filming this video, but here we are, bitches. We're here. A little bit of explaining to get into, but we're not going to get too much into it because I feel like no one really gives a shit about when you're explaining your life story out, when you're doing an unboxing video. You're just clicking this video to see what's in this box, and yes, that. Here. This is M3 Max MacBook Pro 14-inch in all its glory. And yeah, so we're going to be unboxing this computer today, and yeah, I'm super excited about this. So why did I decide to get this computer? Quite simply is I'm starting to outgrow my current computer. My current computer is the 2021 M1 Pro 14-inch MacBook Pro in silver. This is a silver model. I love the silver. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Apple released a space black computer this year, which is what I got. I got the 36 gigabytes of unified memory with 1 terabyte of storage, and I also got the 14-core CPU, 30-core GPU computer. I'm talking too much. We need to get this baby open. We need to talk about it. We're going to be doing some comparisons and maybe a render test or two. So this year they changed it. Now they don't have plastic wrap anymore, which is kind of weird for a computer. Wow. Oh, let's just get this thing open. So let's do it if I can. This is a very expensive computer. You don't even want to know the price of this. So let's just get this open. Hello, 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 hello.
Hello.
Hello, hello, hello. Oh, ooh, okay, here she is. What are we doing with? Okay, I'll take you out. Oh, ooh, got a tab. Ooh. Stop it. This is the prettiest computer ever. Okay, take you off. Look at this. She is gorgeous. Look at that. And the fingerprints are not even like, they disappear. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, this is just so pretty. Does anyone want to guess how much money I'm holding in my hands right now? I'm holding like probably $8,000 in my hands right now. This is black. This is silver. This is black. This is silver. This is the best you're gonna get, guys.
Oh, that sound.
Oh my god. Alright. Oh, here she is. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. So let's do the little... Oh. Hello! Hello! Oh, here you are. You are pretty. You are perfect. You are shining, splendid, and perfect. Alright. Okay, so now that she's open, we're going to readjust the camera angles and then do something closer to my desk so you guys can kind of see what we're looking at. Alright, guys. Okay, shh.
Press the return key.
Alright, we are here, we are in, and it's time to start setting this thing up. I have English right here. Then we have the United States, slay, yes. Not now. And we gotta set up a Wi-Fi network, so we'll do that. Alright, data and privacy, sure, continue. So we are actually going to transfer everything from my old computer to my new computer, so we're actually going to do this. Okay, so we have this Mac connected to this Mac, so we are going to continue on here. And currently it's saying I have over 147 gigabytes, so this is going to take a while, so we're going to be back when everything is transferred. So we have about 30 minutes to wait for everything to transfer from one computer to the other computer, so let's finish up this unboxing as we shall. So here we got the brand new MagSafe cable. This is black, which is so cool. I'm so happy I have a black cable now. So let's open this up and look at it. Ooh, look at this. This is a nice cable. Look at that. And here is it ends. MagSafe cable. And then we have the instructions, which has black Apple stickers. Look at these. So here is the adapter. We got the stuff you need to charge your computer. It looks like we're finally done transferring everything about an hour later. So now we can continue forward, and yep, now we're good. So I think it's gonna restart. Oh my goodness, and we're getting ready to get inside the new computer. So now it's asking for me to set up my fingerprint, so we're gonna do that right now. And yeah, we'll do Apple Pay, sure. And now we are all logged in for the first time. All right, and now it's my computer. Look at it. Okay, I'm so excited. So let's get into it. So I literally have 500 gigabytes of storage free on this computer, which is literally chef's kiss to me. I love that. I have so much room for storage, and I still have an SSD if I do need it to transfer files or something like that, but I'm very excited about that. That's a thumbs up for me. So we are trying to see how far we can push this Max chip on here. So we're going to see how far we can push the Sims freaking 4 with Max graphics, and as you can see, this is smooth. Like, look at that. Whoa. This is crazy. Let's see. Look at this. This is smooth as hell. Look at that. I can zoom in. She's like, oh my god. Like, I love this grilled cheese. Oh, this is so delicious. Look at. This is great. You can see the water, all the water details, all the details here. No slag, no lag, no lag, no lag. Barely any fan noise, no lag. This is amazing. This is a thumbs up for me. Update, I lied. You can hear it. So we're going to do a render test on here, and we're going to see how long it takes to render this video. So let's see how fast it takes. For an 18-minute video to be rendered in only 11 freaking minutes, and this very complicated file that was like 16 gigabytes, that's a thumbs up from me, because that is really fast. And that is it for my unboxing video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to hit that button down below and subscribe. And click the notification bell to get notifications on whenever I upload a video. I can't wait to make more content for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this. And I shall see you guys in the next video. See you guys later. Bye!